Do you want to play basketball this afternoon?
Sure, I'll bring my gear.
Do you want to join our book club?
That sounds interesting. I enjoy reading.
Do you want to take a walk in the park?
I'd love to. The weather's perfect today.
Do you want to study together at the library?
Yeah, that'll help me focus better.
Do you want to go to the beach this weekend?
Absolutely. I miss the sound of the waves.
Do you want to grab some lunch together?
Sure, I know a great place nearby.
I always start my day with a cup of coffee.
Same here. It wakes me up instantly.
I always listen to music when I'm traveling. That makes every trip more fun.
I always take a deep breath before giving a presentation.
That's a smart way to calm your nerves.
I always call my parents every Sunday evening.
That's really sweet of you.
I always double check my emails before sending them.
Good habit. It saves you from mistakes.
I always carry a book in my bag.
Nice. You never waste your time waiting.
Now, I am looking for my car keys because I need to go to work soon.
Now I am looking for a clean spoon because I want to make some coffee.
Now, I am looking for my pencil case because I need to do my homework.
I am looking for my favorite dress because I want to wear it tonight.
Now, I am looking for the TV remote because I want to watch the news.
Now, I am looking for my doll because I want to play with it. I enjoy helping the animals because it makes me feel useful and happy.
I enjoy reading in this cafe because the atmosphere is calm and peaceful.
I enjoy playing music outdoors because it feels free and relaxing.
I enjoy taking photos here because the scenery is so beautiful.
I enjoy painting in this studio because it helps me express my creativity.
I enjoy cycling by the sea because the fresh air makes me feel alive.
I have to wash the clothes because they are dirty.
I have to clean the floor because the house is dirty.
I have to do my homework because I want to get good grades.
I have to cook dinner because my family is hungry.
I have to fix the light because it doesn't work. I hope to finish my project by the end of this week.
I hope to arrive in Bali before sunset.
This is my time and hope to give presentation today.
Why do I run this morning? Because I hope to stay healthy and strong this year.
I hope to travel to Japan next summer.
I hope to perform better in the next concert.
I prefer studying in quiet places because I can focus better there.
I prefer action movies because they're exciting and full of energy.
I prefer wearing food or wearing simple clothes because they're comfortable and easy to match.
I prefer eating at small local restaurants because the food tastes more authentic. I prefer spending my weekends outdoors because it helps me relax after a busy week.
I prefer reading fantasy stories because they take me to another world.
I'm crazy about the ocean because it always makes me feel peaceful and alive.
I'm crazy about hiking.
Yeah.
Because it gives me energy and clears my mind. I'm crazy about basketball because it keeps me active and helps me make new friends.
I'm crazy about colorful flowers because they brighten my mood instantly.
I'm crazy about live music because the energy of the crowd is just amazing.
I'm crazy about traveling because discovering new places makes me feel alive.
I'm planning to study abroad after I graduate from high school.
Yeah.
I'm planning to join a fitness club near the office.
I'm planning to buy a new laptop this weekend because my old laptop was broken.
I'm planning to start my own business this year. I'm what yes, ma'am.
I'm planning to finish my thesis before the end of this semester.
I'm planning to take a short vacation next month.
Maybe we can grab some coffee after the meeting.
Sounds good. I could use a break.
Maybe we can take a walk by the river later.
Ah, that's a great idea. The weather's perfect.
Maybe we can watch that new movie tonight.
Yeah, I've been wanting to see it too. Maybe we can visit the museum this weekend.
Sure, it's been a while since I went there.
Maybe we can try that new Italian restaurant downtown.
I've heard it's really good. Let's do it.
Maybe we can volunteer at the animal shelter this weekend.
That's a lovely idea. I'd love to help out.
Shall we visit the art gallery this weekend?
That's a great plan. I've never been there before. Shall we order some pizza for lunch?
Perfect. I'm craving cheese today.
Shall we call a taxi now?
Yes, it's getting late.
Shall we take a break and grab some snacks? Good idea. I'm starving already. Shall we watch a movie tonight?
Yes, I've been wanting to relax after work.
Shall we go for a walk by the river?
That sounds peaceful. Let's do it.
We could start learning Spanish together.
That's awesome. It'll be useful for our travels. We could take a road trip during the holidays.
That would be amazing. Let's plan it soon.
We could volunteer at the shelter this weekend.
I love that idea. It's a good way to help others.
We could go jogging early tomorrow. Good idea. The park will be quiet then.
We could watch a movie at home instead.
Yeah, that's more relaxing than going out.
We could try that new Italian restaurant tonight.
Sounds great. I've been craving pasta all day.